What happened? Why are you so upset? So many hurdles.
Everything is possible. Transform your mindset and turn challenges into opportunities. St. Peter's Convent School, Greater Faridabad presents a motivational forum for you.
Tag your life for a better life.
Life is yours. Tag your life.
Hello everyone. I am Nitika of class 10th A, and today I want to talk about something that has truly changed my life. That is the power of building strong habits and how these habits can shape our daily routines and ultimately our future. We have all heard the saying that success doesn't happen overnight, and it's absolutely true. Success is built on the foundation of small, consistent actions, the habits that we form over time. Have you ever heard the phrase, small habits makes big differences? It's a powerful reminder that even the most minor changes can lead to extraordinary results. But why are habits so important? Habits are the routines that we perform without even thinking about them. They are the small actions that, when repeated over time, becomes automatic. Think about brushing your teeth. It is something that we all do every day without much thought. But imagine if we didn't make it a habit, then our dental health would suffer greatly. The same principle applies to our studies, our personal growth, and even our relationships. Do you know that there is a saying that says, the greatest things in the world are done by the people who believe in the power of small beginnings. Building positive habits helps us to create structure in our lives. They allow us to automate good behaviors so that we spend our less mental energy on decision making and more on what truly matters. Let me share a personal experience with you all. A while ago, I was struggling to keep up with my studies. I would get overwhelmed with the amount of work and often found myself procrastinating. But one day, I decided to make a change. I started with a very simple routine. That was, I dedicated just 30 minutes to a subject which I found challenging. At first, it was hard to stay consistent, but I reminded myself of a simple formula. That was, 2 steps forward, 1 step backward is still 1 step forward. This means that even if I missed a day or two, I didn't let it discourage me. Instead, I kept believing that with persistence, my new habit would stick. I focused on my small achievements, like completing a chapter or understanding a difficult concept. Over time, those 30 minutes became a habit, and I started to see a significant improvement in my grades. It wasn't an overnight success, but those small steps added up. I realized that building a habit was less about perfection and more about progress. I realized that consistency was the key to unlocking my potential. I realized that true strength comes from within, no matter how many times you fail, but how many times you rise. Building a habit isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress. Think of this way: if you aim to stick to your goal and manage to stick to it for 2 days out of 7 in the first week, then don't be hard on yourself. Celebrate those 2 days because that's progress. Next week, aim for 3 days and the week after maybe 4. Every step forward, no matter how small, is still a step in the right direction. Focus on your achievements, not your guilt. It's easy to fall into the trap of feeling guilty for not sticking to a routine perfectly. But here is the truth: guilt won't take us anywhere. Instead of feeling guilty, focus on your small achievements and focus on the days you succeeded. Keep your eyes on the small achievements because these small wins are what will attract the bigger ones. In conclusion, remember that building strong habits is a journey. It requires patience, it requires persistence, and even a positive mindset. Keep moving forward, even if it's just a little bit at a time. Your future self will thank you for it. So, do not procrastinate, do not delay, do not wait for the perfect time. Just do it. Let me lighten up the things with a little rhyme. Small habits, big rewards. Build a life that is truly yours. Break the bad habits and build the good ones. Reach your goals and have lots of fun. So your journey towards building strong habits starts now. Don't give up and stay consistent. Thank you.